Ni mwihoko wakwa no thiete na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo TV iri kwihanda wega thaa mugwanja cia miraho ni mahinda mangi mega ma gukorwo tugitungana nawe ni ndwa mohoro ma Kiheo Kabiru na njira itiranite ni turia tukuhaririirie ndire wikano indi turateithania na memereke na njira ya ciko na ketago Lorin Wambui. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Samoei Ruto ni akorirwo agitongoria mihango ya kuhumba thumbi kuri makurutu aria marikitie mathomo thini wa thukuru wa mathomo ma afitha borithi ni kuria Kiganjo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Hari ndumiriri yake president ni akorirwo akimoria metikire gukorwo magitungatira muingi na njira igwete na matikae gukorwo makihuthira hinya mukiru riria megukorwo makiheana motungata. Na ndumiriri yake yukite oriri maafitha ya matanyite gukorwo makiheo matonyo magi kana uniform ingi njeru iria meguthi na mbere na gukorwo magitungata nacio.
Today we are also unveiling a new uniform for general duty officers of the Kenya Police Service. This change follows consultations with police officers and the public in 2023, as well as recommendations for the Presidential Task Force. Officers expressed legitimate concerns about the current uniform, including its quality, suitability, and effect on professional identity. The graduating officers will be the first to wear the new uniform. It will then be progressively rolled out to general duty officers throughout the country, effective next week. The Administration Police Service and the General Service Unit will retain their present operational uniforms. We appreciate that a uniform does not necessarily create professionalism. Character, discipline, training, and conduct do. But the government has listened because the identity, comfort, morale, and dignity of our officers also matter. Cybercrime, financial fraud, terrorism, human trafficking, organized crime, and technology-enabled violence demand new capabilities, stronger intelligence, and deeper cooperation among security agencies. The modern police officer must therefore be physically prepared, professionally competent, technologically proficient, and psychologically resilient. Modern policing cannot be measured only by the number of suspects arrested. It must also be measured by the crimes prevented, the lives protected, the confidence created, and the safety citizens experience. This requires officers who understand that courage must be guided by judgment, authority tempered by restraint, and enforcement anchored in law. So, wherever you are deployed, you must remain disciplined, impartial, incorruptible. Protect the vulnerable. Treat every citizen with dignity, and reject every inducement to compromise your duty. Corruption, bribery, collusion with criminals, excessive force, and abuse of authority betray the Constitution, dishonor police uniform, and weaken the institution you have joined.
Na tukithiri ripoti nigi ni ati ruhonge rwa mathako bururi matai kundo rurathi na mbere na gukorwo rugicakaya na ni thutha uria urari mwandiki munene na niwe gutwo Timothy Mburu gukorwo oritwo ni moyo wake na ni kumana na mutino moru wa barabara. Kuririkana ati Mburu aratwarithagia motorbike yake kana nduthi yake ya mathako na marakorwo makiguthana na ngari na igeria ria guthara muoyo wake thini wa thibitari munene wa Naivasha ritina korwo rigikinyanira mutino uyo urakorirwo kihanikira barabara-ini kana urakorirwo kihanika barabara-ini ya Mai Mahiu Naivasha.
Today is a sad day for us because we have lost one of our founder of Kenya International Taekwondo Federation, who is our Secretary General, Bumsabum Timabeboro, whereby he got an accident yesterday, and today in the morning he passed. Right now we are here at Naivasha with my team, so to be able to have the plans and also to be able to announce to the Kenya about the demise of the Secretary General of KITF.
Mwenye ameaga ni bwanangu, alipata ajali jana na akaaga leo. Kitu nitasema, Mungu amweke mahali pema. Sina mengi, nayo tu.
Na mimi ndio baba ya Timothy Mburu Holo. Ametuacha kwa huzuni, kwa maana hatujui kitu gani kimefanyika, na tumeomba Mungu amweke pale pema peponi, na kiwezekana tujue sababu kifo kilitokea kwa njia gani.
Na leo tumehuzunika sana kwa kifo cha Bumsabum Timothy, our Secretary General, na ile kitu tu ningeomba tujitie moyo wachezaji wa KITF Taekwondo, tujipe moyo na tushikilia
na tukwiga haroka thayo. Na tugithii na mbere ni ati murutwo wa ukuru wa miaka 8 kuma thukuru-ini wa Gilgil Hills Academy no uri kaunti